By this stage you should already have assembled your trolley base. If not, then please follow the link here or scan the QR code printed on the trolley base instructions. Now it's time to fit the tabletop and the uprights. We're going to start by building the tabletop. Fit the MDF board into the tabletop framework and slot the M5 bolts into the 4 pre-drilled holes. We then need to turn the framework onto its side and secure the MDF board using 4 nylock nuts. To tighten, use an 8mm spanner. Now we add the tabletop uprights. Start by placing the tabletop onto its side. Select the uprights and fit into the 4 holes underneath. Fix these by turning them in the slot until they are tight. Repeat this process for all 4 corners. Next, we're going to fit the tabletop and the uprights to the trolley base. Simply line up the uprights with the holes in the trolley deck and slot into place. To secure the tabletop, turn the trolley onto its side. Fit the M10 bolts into the 4 holes and simply tighten using a 17mm spanner. Assembly videos for all of the trolley configurations can be found using the QR code printed on the assembly instructions. These are included in the handle carton.